Kenya's progress in correcting wrongs committed by administrations before the enactment of a 2010 constitution will come up for review this afternoon at the Africa Peer Review Mechanism meeting. The APRM panel that reviewed Kenya in November last year is expected to table its report at the APRM meeting this afternoon at the AU headquarters that will be chaired by President Uhuru Kenyatta. Devolution Cabinet Secretary Mwangi Kiunjuri says the report will also contain the assessment of a Jubilee administration after 4 years in power.
Definitely there must be some challenges here and there. And through this report, we are able to know what you have achieved and what you have not achieved. And therefore, we make progress, looking at the challenges, if they are real. And if they are real, then we have to address those challenges. That is the benefit of being peer-reviewed. It is the only thing, the mechanism can be able to tell you, Your Excellency, this is how your country is performing.
Kenya becomes the first country to be peer-reviewed for a second time, the first one having happened during retired President Mwai Kibaki's administration.
There are a number of issues that came up, and that is what led to the coming up now of the new constitution dispensation. We looked at all those challenges, and when we met at the conference to discuss the new constitution, all those challenges were highlighted. We took care of them. We incorporated all those challenges we were able to come up with. We looked at them and tried to correct the wrongs, the mistakes done through the constitution. Today, we have the new constitution. Again, when we looked at the review this time around, we'll be able to be told, have we succeeded in correcting the wrongs that we had done last time? Has this constitution been able to really correct them?
During today's meeting, Namibia's request to join the APRM will be considered, and if allowed, will bring the total number of countries subscribing to APRM to 36.
Countries are now becoming active. There is now a robust process going on.
5 countries have also expressed intent to also be peer-reviewed. The APRM intends to extend its influence to all African Union member countries, where the panel of eminent persons assesses the political, democratic and socio-economic progress of a country.
Next year, we want to look at the universal accession, whereby we have all the countries. We are trying to see that all the countries will now join the APRM, meaning full integration of APRM and the African Union, which will be a major success. The
countries that are upcoming for review this afternoon are Zambia, Senegal, Chad, Djibouti and Sudan, with Kenya expected to be reviewed for the second time this afternoon. But in a continent of 54 countries, the question that begs is why only 36 countries would be interested to subscribe to the Africa Peer Review Mechanism and why only 5 would accept to be reviewed on so critical components such as political, democratic and socio-economic rights. Reporting from Addis Ababa, Ethiopia, I'm John Jacob Kuria.